Our first meal was a spread of hummus, tabbouleh, and falafel. Fresh, simple, and delicious. Then we found one of the more unexpected restaurants in Athens, an Elvis-themed souvlaki shop. Naturally, we had to try it. Athens may be famous for ancient ruins, but we spent plenty of time exploring the food, too. A pork souvlaki skewer with fries made for a perfect quick bite. Gelato was everywhere. Every street seemed lined with colorful displays daring us to stop. Between exploring the Acropolis and the ancient Agora, we took a brunch break. I ordered a giant vegetable and cheese omelet, while Terry somehow managed to find French toast that looked like it came with an entire second breakfast of eggs on top, plus a fruit smoothie. After resisting for as long as possible, we finally gave in and stopped at Solo Gelato, winner of a European Gelato Championship. We tried banana chocolate and another flavor, and it absolutely lived up to the hype. Of course, no trip to Greece would be complete without a gyro. It was delicious, although I have to admit I still prefer the American version. Here, just like in Turkey, they tuck French fries right inside the wrap. Once we left Athens and arrived at our farm stay, our meals became a lot more homemade. One morning I made semolina topped with a fried egg, and we enjoyed dark rustic bread drizzled with local honey. The farm had plenty of squash available, so I cooked it with rice for dinner and made it into a creamy soup. Terry often helped chop the vegetables. Since most of the meals were vegetarian, we got pretty creative with what we had on hand. My creamy mushroom pasta made another appearance. Apparently I can find those ingredients anywhere in the world. Very creative in this kitchen with all the food from the farm here. Our lunch after a hard morning's work. We did enjoy roasted lemon chicken and potatoes one day, and another local favorite, seasoned ground lamb and beef shaped into long sausages and grilled.
Black-eyed pea salad with onion and parsley. Homemade tzatziki. And some leftovers from other days, some feta.
For dessert, we have goat yogurt with quince or quince. I don't know how you say it, but it's like a hard type of pear. And it is delicious. From championship gelato to farm fresh home cooking, Greece kept us very well fed. And next we head to the place that put Athens on the map, the legendary Acropolis and its crown jewel, the Parthenon.